क्रिसमस लागीं येवन टिकिल्ली आसा. क्रिसमसाच्या तयारी आनी हॉटेलांनी आमकां पळोवंक दिसता. ह्या निमित्तान सिदार्थ गोवान आयज केक मिक्सिंग इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज केल्लो. तेजी आमी एक झलक पळोवन घेवया.
You know, the festive season has approached and it's a doorstep. So we started today with our cake mixing ceremony and dry fruits with alcohol. So we have around 14 to 15 types of dry fruits, and then maximum numbers of alcohol we can use it. Around 17 to 18 liters we use. And then we have some spices. We have like pistachio, almond, walnuts, candied gingers, raisins, black raisins and white raisins both, plus blackcurrant, cherries, tutti fruttis, you know, and like dates, prunes, apricots. So altogether around 14 to 15 we have the dry fruits. Along with that we have all mixed spices, and then we have cinnamon powder, we have little nutmeg powder, cardamom powder, and there are number of, you know, that we can name on the alcohols. Now we are going to ferment it for 1 month continuously, you know, churning them every day, and then after a month we are going to prepare all the goodies, and then we are going to display at our dosaria. So I welcome you all, and now since we are going for Christmas and New Year, so we have opened our wings for the festive season and welcome everyone and all the Siddharth Hotel here.